Hello guys, so on this video today I'm going to show you how you can create your Pinterest account, and if you want to turn this your Pinterest account into business account, you can still do it on this video. So just keep on watching. Let me show you how you can create your Pinterest account. So as you can see guys on the screen here, this is Pinterest that you can see on the screen. So what we need to do is to create our Pinterest account. You can just look around Pinterest, just see how the platform look and see if it's something that you really want to get involved into. So Pinterest is one of the social media platforms that you can use to promote product and service and even earn money while you are doing that. But that is not the reason why you are watching this video. You want to learn how you can create your Pinterest account. The first thing you have to do once you land on Pinterest, you need to click on the part where it said sign up. So once you click on sign up here you are going to enter your email account. I will enter my email. Here I'm going to enter a password. So we are going to enter a password. So now that we have entered the password, let us enter our date of birth. And once we have selected it, the next thing you need to click on is to click on continue. So once you click on continue, it's going to tell you congratulations. I'm going to show this page that you can see on the screen here. So I'm going to save everything in case of next time. I'll click on save, and here it's not telling us to enter a logo, and it's not telling us to enter a name for this our Pinterest account. So what I need to do now is to click on edit, and here I'm going to enter like God's Power. That is my name, just for the purpose of this video, for you to know that it's God's Power that is making this video. And I'll click on that, and I'll click on submit, and you need to click on next. If you have entered that, are you a male or female? You can click on you are a male, and which language do you speak? English or French? English. So you can click on English, and the country, select the country where you are and click on next. And here they are going to ask you, what are you in the mood to do? So what are you really in the mood to do? You can select every one of them here. You can select fashion, art. It just depends on what you feel like you can do. But for me, I will just select everything that you can see on the screen here, because we don't know what we want to be doing. But just select any random thing and click on continue. This is how you can create your account. So this is not other things I'm trying to show you here. So click on that and click on go to feed. So now it's not creating your Pinterest page for you. So now our Pinterest page is ready. So the next thing we have to do here now is to go and convert this our personal account into a business Pinterest account. So how can we do that? So how to do that? What you need to do here is to click on this icon here, and it's going to bring you here. You can see convert to business. Click on convert to business, and here you can convert your Pinterest account into a business account. It's 100% free. You are not paying money. I know a lot of people will be saying, but converting my personal Pinterest account into a business Pinterest account, am I going to be paying every month? No, it's 100% free. You just need to upgrade it, and you are going to have access to tools that is going to allow you to run ad. If you want to run ad, you are going to be able to analyze. You are going to be seeing the insight and the analytics of what is going on that your Pinterest account, and you are going to be seeing the credits you have and the offers that is available on Pinterest. So that is the advantage of you having this, which is what you can see here. You will be able to do a lot of things when you have the business account, or converting your personal account into a business account. So you can see that this is what we have, which is personal account, but now we are going to convert it into a business account, and we are going to have access to ad manager, insight and analytics, credits and offers, and many more other things that you are going to see once you have created that your business account. So I'm going to click on upgrade, and it's going to start doing the work for us. So now that you have bring us here, what you need to do is to select the category of what you want to do. So how can you do it? They are going to ask you here, describe your business: online, merchant and marketplace, customer goods, service provider, content creator, publisher and media, agency, order. You just need to choose what fits the category of what you want to create your account for. So I'm going to say content creator, and I'm going to click on next, and here is going to ask for your business name. I'm going to say YouGodsPower.com. YouGodsPower, not YouGodsPower.com, but YouGodsPower. That is my business name. And you are going to select your country. You are going to enter your website. So I'm going to type YouGodsPower.com. If you don't have your own website, you can just enter your social media platform here. That is only option I think that you can do if you don't have your own website. Or you can just click on I don't have a website and you will continue. I'll click on next here, and here is going to ask you what are your business goals. So you can click here, you can say increase online sales, generate more leads, drive traffic to websites, create content on Pinterest to grow an audience, grow brand awareness. Not sure, so we can click on drive traffic to websites, and on the part here where it said what is the focus of your brand, you can click here and we can say home, fashion, beauty, that is health, educational. So it just depends on what you are trying to promote. So I'm going to say educational, and I will click on done, and that is it. So we have now our Pinterest account. But before you are going to do that, let us say you want to connect it to a particular platform, like into your WooCommerce website or your business. You can do all those old things on the screen here. But we don't need to do all these old things, because for we to do this, we need to install all these tools that you can see here. But what I recommend that you should do is to just click on this section where it said you should close this tab, and once you click on close, now you are going to have access to your business Pinterest account. So the next thing you have to do now is to go and add in image banners to your profile so that everything will look good. So how to do that is still simple, guys. What you need to do, you can even do it from here. You can click here and it's going to bring you to your profile here. What you can do now is to enter a profile image. So I'll enter one of my profile image. I'll click on one of my profile image here, which is this one, and I will click on open, and it's going to be added on the profile here. So you can see it's loading up. Here you are going to enter about your business, you can see, and once you have done that, here you are going to enter if you're a pronoun, he or her. You can just enter anything. You are he, him, so he, him, which is a man. And you can see your website have been added. Your username, if you want to enter a username, you can enter it here. Just change it to a username that you want, but I'm not going to touch that. And here you are going to enter your email account, email address, enter it, so which is testingyougodspower.com. and under here you are going to enter your postcode. If you have one, enter your phone number. If you want to include all these other things, you can do it here. So once you are done with everything that you can see on the screen here, click on save. So now that you have clicked on save, that is what is going to be saved on your profile here. But if people want to visit your page, this is what they are going to be seeing. When I click here and I click on preview profile and I click on it here, this is what people are going to be seeing here. So what you have to do now is to start creating your pin on your Pinterest account, and your content is going to start displaying on Pinterest, and you are going to start getting traffic to that your website, or getting traffic to that your product or service that you want to be promoting on Pinterest. So this is how you can create your Pinterest account on this video. I hope that this video is helpful to you. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section. I really want to hear from you guys. And thank you very much. If you want to learn how you can make money with Pinterest, you can watch this video that will help you step by step on how you can make money with Pinterest. I will see you guys on my next upcoming video. I want to hear your thoughts in the comment section if the video is very helpful to you.